warm hands, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to another Get It All Done with me here in 2022. We are tackling the mess in the kitchen and doing a mermaid birthday party prep and kind of a little bit of a cleanup. So stay tuned and tackle your mess along with me. I am starting off with baking the cupcakes for the party, and so I'm going to share with you both my vanilla recipe and my chocolate cupcake recipes. On top of that, I'm also going to be sharing a DIY Mermaid Pinata, a couple of appetizer recipes, and how the beach party turned out. So stay tuned for lots of cleaning and homemaking motivation.
Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is shaking, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over.
So this was for my 3 and 5-year-old's birthday party. We do a joint birthday party so far. We've done it every year since my youngest was born, as their birthdays are actually 5 days apart. So we just do a joint one and it makes it super simple. So this year, obviously the theme was mermaid / like a beach theme, seashells, all the things. Let me know down below if you do a huge party prep for your kids, or if you mostly like go out and buy the cupcakes. No matter what route you go, just know that you are an incredible mom and your kids are so blessed to have you in their life. I truly enjoy baking and cooking and doing all of the homemaking things for my family, and so that is why I choose to do all of this and make everything from scratch.
Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down.
I will go ahead and have both of these recipes down below so that you can have easy access to them. I will also post them over on my blog and possibly on my Instagram as well, so make sure you are following me over there. But go ahead and let me know down below if you prefer chocolate or vanilla cupcakes. For me personally, I prefer vanilla.
Do what you like, do what you like to do. Do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do.
If you guys end up trying out those cupcakes, let me know by tagging me over on Instagram, or let me know down below if you have a birthday coming up and you plan on trying them. They turn out every time, and I swear they are like foolproof. So we're gonna go ahead and get those in the oven. We're gonna tidy up the kitchen here really quickly before we decorate the cupcakes for the birthday party. And I also just want to let you know that this was filmed throughout the course of, I think, 3 days. As I do like to prep these cupcakes ahead of time, you can actually freeze them and make them ahead of time. So I love doing that to make my life a little bit easier come the party day. So if you haven't already, I hope you can get up and clean along with me.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. We can do what we like. We can do what we like, baby, while we're young.
might be going crazy, I don't know what to do. My heart is screaming for you, babe. And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark, you're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing.
You might not have noticed, but I totally messed up the tail on the piñata, but that's okay. It still ended up working out fine. They loved it and it was incredible. So now I'm just sharing all of the recipes. I didn't film any of like the prepping or anything because I honestly ran out of time. I've shared all of these recipes before though, and I will have them linked below in the description. The beach party turned out amazing, but that is all I have for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this Get It All Done and party prep with me. If you guys enjoy Get It All Done with me videos, make sure to like this video so that I know, and don't forget to subscribe as well to join our growing YouTube family. That is all I have for you guys. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you in my next one. Bye.
You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark.